I feel incredibly honored to be asked to speak at the Teeter's Products Next Level Laundry Show, which takes place in Hamilton, Ohio, October 11th and 12th. So if you're in Ohio, Indiana, or Kentucky, this is a show you've got to make time for. This is to help you take your laundry to the next level. And I'm going to be talking about wash and fold, how to grow your wash and fold business, how to grow your pickup and delivery business, or how to even get started for that matter, and also how to grow your wash and fold commercial business, which is a great opportunity as well. And Steve Marcianetti is going to be speaking as well. He's from CCI, which owns FastCard, the payment system, talking about different types of promotions and to run and grow your business that way as well. And Brian Wallace, the CEO of the Coin Laundry Association, is going to be speaking as well. So we've got a great lineup of speakers, and more than that, it's going to be an awesome opportunity to network with fellow laundry owners too. The first day is focused on service school, how to make sure your laundromat is running in tip-top shape. And if you haven't been to service school before, you need to go. The service schools are to help you fix common issues that happen with commercial washers and dryers. A lot of the common issues that happen, guess what? They're easy to fix as long as you know how. So it's so nice of Teeter's Products to provide hands-on training so you can get rid of those out-of-service signs and make sure your machines are spinning and turning. The second day is more of a trade show format where it's going to be about sharing ideas about how to take your laundromat to the next level. And that's where I'm going to be talking about growing your wash and fold business, how to get started in pickup and delivery, and how to grow your commercial accounts as well. Several years ago, Mark Moore from ArtiClean, so ArtiClean is the ozone sanitation system for laundromats. Mark Moore had said to me, if you ever get a chance to go to the Teeter's Products show that happens once a year, you need to go. I also recommend staying at the Warehouse Hotel because that's where the event takes place. So not only does that make it more convenient to go to the show, and if you need to go back to your room, you can, and everything's right there, but it also makes it better for networking because everybody who's going to the show is going to be staying at the Warehouse Hotel as well. That's where a lot of the education comes from too. So I just want to thank the fellows from Teeter's Products for putting together an amazing event, and I'm very thankful to be able to take a part in it, and I hope to see you there.
I can't tell you how much it meant to me to see each one of you guys here. So I know there's only going to be one winner, but you know what? You are a winner because you came today to learn and be more involved in the business. Thank you for coming. I hope you all enjoyed it. So here we go. I can't believe who just won a 60-pound, 450G, $18,000 washer. Sally, you tell me who the winner is. Who's on there?
Frank Lang.
Frank, can you believe that? Frank won the 60-pound washer. Now we got to renegotiate, Frank. No, I'm kidding. Guys, thank you. I can't thank you enough. I hope you've had a good day. I hope you've seen the other side of the fence. Call us with any questions. We're deeply indebted to you. Thank you.